Today is Thursday, November the 19th, and it's actually 1 week before Thanksgiving. I wanted to do an update on my hair, but I'm currently not feeling well. I did learn that I was exposed at work, and you guys know what I'm talking about. But I went and I was tested, and praise God, my test results were negative. So I'm so thankful for that. But again, it's time for me to do an update on my hair, and I really can't move around too much because I get really winded, having shortness of breath. So since I'm sitting up in bed, I thought it would be a good time to just go on and start retightening my hair. But I just wanted to show you guys exactly what my hair is looking like before I did that. I've shared before that at night I sleep with this little beanie cap on my head. And when I put it on at night, this is what I do. I just tuck my hair up under there and just put it on. And then when I get up in the morning, I just take it off. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I need to shampoo my hair, and I usually shampoo before I retighten. But even trying to do that, I just get really winded. So I'm just going to start retightening my hair without shampooing it right now. Maybe I'll get to that, maybe within the next week. But again, I just wanted to show you all what it's looking like before I start retightening it. As you can see, you really can't see I don't think you can see my grid too much anymore. But I actually love it when it grows out like this because it doesn't look as scalpy. And I think too, as it pertains to the top, where I experience my thinning, I really don't think I'm going to tighten that area really tight. I mean, not that I tightened it really tight the last time, but I'm just gonna make sure that it's not as tight as it was the last time. I guess that's what I'm trying to say, y'all. But anywho, I just wanted to show you what we're looking like before let me zoom in a little bit. Y'all, I do not feel good. So you can kind of see, hopefully you can kind of see some of my bunching and what we've got going on back there. Again, I am predominantly relaxed, so now at this point I probably have maybe about 4 inches of new growth. So again, since I can't move around too much and do much of anything, I'm just gonna sit in the bed and retighten my hair. This is the little tool that I'm gonna use to retighten. It's one of the little plastic needles, and I've already done a video on how I retighten, so I will put that video up here and then also in the description box if you want to check out exactly how I retighten my hair. I also do the 2-point rotation. At least that's what I'm doing now, and I do that because it's just easier for me to do. Okay, so I'm done. This time it took me longer. It took me about 6 hours, but again, I just wanted to take advantage of this moment since I can't do anything else but rest. I just felt like, just using the time to retighten my hair. Several of you have sent messages about an update. I've been trying to keep you all updated every couple of months, so I knew it was about time. Unfortunately, this update cannot be as thorough as I wanted it to be, but I wanted to show you all something. I will do a better update before Christmas, I promise. At least that's my plans. But again, it took me about 6 hours. I took my time, took a couple of breaks, and we are done. So, of course, I'm not going to do any styling. I can't do that right now, but I wanted to show you at least the before and the after of me retightening. I can tell that it's growing, and just wanted to show you all. I know when I first started this journey, my concern was when I initially did my establishment and my grid, how neat it was. I thought when it was time for me to retighten, how in the world am I going to keep my grid this neat? But some kind of way it just happens. And I actually did this without using the mirror. The only time I use the mirror is when I go row by row, and I clamp or get my hair out of the way that I'm not retightening, and then I pull down one whole row, and I just go from micro braid to micro braid, and I just feel it with my fingers and make sure the other braids around it is out of the way. But I just use my tool and I just retighten like that, and it, the grid just comes back. So you guys just try it. Hopefully it will work that way for you too. But again, when I do it, I don't have to sit constantly in front of the mirror like I did when I did my initial establishment. And at this point I could really care less about how straight a grid is anyway. But for those of you that may really want that tight grid, for me, when I retighten without looking in the mirror, it just happens. I did mention in the top, I did not do that tight at all. I did maybe 2 pass-throughs, or 1 rotation, if you will, where I do the 2 points. So go in from the side and then come down. Some of them I just did that 1 time. Some of them I did it twice. So anyway, let me show you guys. Okay, just want to make sure. So hopefully y'all can kind of see what my parts are looking like. And I appreciate you guys bearing with me while I'm under the weather. So and I'm not concerned about grabbing my little edges either. Okay. This camera all up in my face. I sure hope I had no boogers in my nose. Let me see. But I am so glad to be done with this, y'all. But I'm gonna come back before Christmas And by that time I have some little curls or something. Okay, guys. And I'm doing this shot right here because I have one of my previous videos where you could see the length of my hair, and I just want to show you guys that it's growing. Alright, guys. I'm getting ready to get myself back in the bed. But hopefully this will kind of pacify you all until I can get you a better video. If by chance I don't see you guys before Thanksgiving, I pray that you all have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. And also I'm going to link those videos and I think probably plug in my playlist so you guys can check out some of my other hair videos if you're interested.